Well, anyway, on today's video, we're finally going to fix this shifter flop. That's probably why you're tuning in. Well, it's very simple. What you want to do is remove your knob. Mine's just setting on it, so we just remove this. Very simple. Then your shifter boot probably got screws in it. Mine's not. So it's going to be really simple for me too. I just take the shifter boot, just pull it straight up. Now the SM465 is pretty simple. Look at this flop we got. This is in gear, you know. It's just some welds broke on it. So this right here presses down. Sometimes you can do it by hand and it twists this. I don't think we're going to be able to do it by hand. So let's just twist it. Press a little down on it when you do it. It don't need much. And then it'll lift up. It's got these tabs here. Then this will pull straight up. But make sure it's in neutral. I got it in gear, neutral. Sometimes you might have to tap it. Sometimes you have to tap it a lot, I guess. You can see the welds is broke on mine and the pins is wore out. So I'm going to put a tack here and here to hold this straight. And I'm going to retack these sides here. That's broke. And that'll make this all steady again. Because in pins, it's definitely wore out. Basically what we're going to do is weld it. And we're going to weld over these pre-existing tacks, bridge them back together, because they crack over time, and put two more opposite from them. So it'll be 4 tacks up top, then my pins wore out. We'll probably tack the pins straight, you know, and then if we have to grind it smooth, we'll fit down in our flat. But it all depends on how the pro welder Matt does. And I know someone's going to ask us, Matt, what's the welding settings on this big fancy thing?
Hot.
Hot. But just in case, this is where we at. Hot. Because you want it bunned in, because I think what's the matter is these from the factories got, you know, a bad design. The welds is cold. They just break.
Hopefully it ain't cold here in a minute.
I don't know. That's definitely not going to be cold, Matt. That's probably plenty. That's probably pretty good on that.
I can smell the gear oil cooking out of it.
Let's put us 4 on a. Well, let's try to keep it flat. We might have to bevel it in some with it fit down in it. Four big tacks. I smell it cooking. It smells like ass.
Oh my hot ass.
Yeah, hot ass on a summer day. That's pretty good. Matt's just tempted to just weld it. Woo. I think 4 will hold it. Now we're going to do the pin, ain't we? Let me put my foot on it. We're going to try to weld the pin, or we're going to try to weld up in here?
We'll just tack on that pin, I guess. That way if we have to drill it out later,
We have to.
we'll have a fresher hole.
Probably have to smooth it down because it goes in a kind of a catch, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you grind it down when you get tacked. Should melt in.
Sound good. Want me to try to hold it straight?
I get it.
Okay. Don't have no flop now, will it?
broke loose on the inside, didn't it? Had to. Grind that down now.
Broke loose.
Can it be tacked right there? I guess it probably can it?
Yep, I seen people tack them like though. This is the first time we're doing this, but can I move my hand for a second?
Yeah.
It's gonna fall though.
Well, it's gonna really hurt because the ground's off of it.
I'm the ground.
Yeah.
Okay. Just keep her smooth and weld her all the way around that so she don't break. We just grind it up. Pretty good now. Shouldn't break. And we just have to clean it up. Seems like we got company. I see Silas. Now that we got it all grinded off, we got it welded all the way around, I went ahead and put transmission fluid on this. You can use Gill or whatever. It's going to splash up. It's just going to help it set in place. Then you want to make sure that it still pivots and stuff, which it does. Got a second, third, fourth, reversed. Now I have to get used to driving it again. You got your spring, got your bushing cap. You can grease this up top if you want to. You don't have to. And then you got your cap. The cap goes on just like so. And then you got to press down on it and then twist. Sometimes it can be a pain. It can. Make sure it goes down in there. Make sure we got it right. Look over. There we go. That should be here. Oh, I need to bring it over some more. There we go. Press it down and twist. Try to use this. Press down. Almost. Twist. Ow. Okay. Gonna be a pain. I know it's set in not good. It's just that top spring. It can be a pain sometimes. Let's move it in the middle. Press down and twist. I might have to get another set of pliers. I don't know yet. We shall see. Let's see. That needs up a little bit more. Down and twist. Okay. I know it's the spring. I bet it will work fine without this, so let's try it. See? So I just ain't pressing it down further enough to get this in there. So I went ahead, put the boot back on it and my gear shift knob, and it works great. Check it out. No play besides my shifter knob, but pretty much, you know, it's better than new. Better than new. I see Matt coming, and hopefully you found this video helpful. I know it's been a while. I said 3 years ago that I was going to do this, or 2, and I just now got around to it. I've been driving the truck. You can't tell which gear you if you didn't know the truck, you couldn't drive the truck. That's how bad the gift shift was. So drop a like, leave a comment. Thanks again for watching. Check the eBay store out. I got cop pucks on the other stuff. It's a little extra support, helps me out, and you might get something you need. Never know. Description below.